Whether you're an employee or an entrepreneur, it is very important to have some form of long-term disability insurance. But where should you get it? Your employer, the state, or a private policy? Hi, I'm Misty Lynch, the host of the Demystifying Money podcast, and let's dive in. A policy from your employer is going to be easy because it's often more affordable and you get group rates. Typically, it covers about 50 to 60% of your salary with varying conditions and limits. State benefits differ depending on where you live. They can offer a basic level of protection, but might not fully cover your needs or replace enough income. Buying long-term disability insurance on your own allows you to tailor a policy to suit your career and your specific needs. You can customize the coverage amount, the waiting period, and the benefit period. It's probably going to be more expensive than the other options, but you could take it with you if you move or change jobs. Long-term disability insurance is about peace of mind and financial security. Whether it's through your employer, state benefits, or a private policy, the goal is the same: to protect your income and your future.